Hi, how much additional time should I have to give myself for the APMP online OTE? Your exam is 2.5 hours. Plus, if English is not your main language, you can choose to have additional 35 minutes that brings it up to 3 hours and 5 minutes. It's long exam. You also have to give yourself an additional 30 minutes to sign on so the proctor can review a testing area with a webcam and ensure that you're ready for the exam. And in addition to that, you can also have 10 minutes of breaks during the exam. If you can take it 5 minutes and 2 5-minute breaks, or you could take 1 10-minute break. Either way, your break is only allowed after the first 50 minutes of your exam. So 3 different timings you need to be aware of. Number 1, give yourself at least 30 minutes before the exam, 2.5 hours or 3 hours 5 minutes for the exam. Then you have a choice of 10-minute break during the exam. So that's it. Yes, it's a long exam. Yes, it's an intense exam. Preparation is key. You could refer www.apmp.org, practitioner, www.apmg for your sample exam, and you can visit www.baachuscribble.com for the orientation course. Lots of support out there. You could definitely crack it. Good luck with your learning journey.